ninjwe omurikirwe ye maseje munaba manyi baitabo bale nobo manyi wigura igeti byetibwa te signal ere enkongo igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganitie omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wigwitra semeria WhatsApp gusiku yake simigwitra namba 0741499726
Yo bongo lyo mwanone kirijane.
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirinkuma asogo kwa obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate events chiroadshow chinyange amatanga chianniversary na yenda mangamna mono photography videography live stream na coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri ase tent ebirogo decoration lighting chikapet na sound batarere ase koroba ya Ouru Towers somo chobosongo angena AM Taylor samange ba kresimya sinamba 0721217817 Hazina Siri Events. This is a surety.
Riatirimba Technical and Vocational College ndicho chuo cha ufundi kitakachokujenga kwa maarifa na vitendo. Intake ya Januari 2026 inaendelea sasa. Tuna kosi muhimu na za kisasa kama vile Mechanical Production, Welding, Automotive Technology, Fashion Design, Cosmetology, Human Resource Management, Office Administration and Secretarial, Electrical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Building Technology, Masonry, Plumbing, Carpentry and Joinery, ICT Technician.
Kwa majina naitwa Joseph Kawala. Mimi ndio mwalimu mkuu ama principal wa chuo hiki cha Riatirimba Technical Training College. Wakati kama huu tuko na January intake. Ukiangalia hapa tuko na Center of Excellence kwa mambo ya masomo ya kiufundi. Tunaifanya kwa ustadi hali ya juu na pia tunapatiana chances kwa wale wanakuwa wanafanya internship. Tuko na walimu wa kutosha, walimu ambao wamehitimu kwa hali ya juu. Wazazi, mambo ya school fees serikali inashughulikia. Wewe kuja ujue mengi, watoto wapate nafasi ya kusoma katika hichi chuo chetu cha Riatirimba Technical and Vocational College.
Intake ya Januari 2026 inaendelea sasa. Harakisha, tunapatikana Nyaribari Masaba, Riatirimba. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu leo 0757 au tembelea tovuti yetu www.riatirimbatvc.ac.ke. Riatirimba Technical and Training College, scaling heights of technology. Lea Wow Kids Daycare ni kituo cha kulea watoto kuanzia mwaka mmoja na kuendelea, mahali ambapo mtoto wako anajifunza kupitia michezo na kukua kwa furaha. Tunatoa huduma za full day na half day katika mazingira safi, salama na yenye upendo. Tuna wafanyakazi wenye mapenzi, subira na uangalifu wa hali ya juu kwa watoto wako. Lea Wow Kids Daycare tunazingatia potty training kwa ustadi, michezo bunifu na ya kuelimisha, shughuli za kujifunza zilizopangwa kitaalamu, malezi yanayojenga akili, tabia na kujiamini kwa mtoto wako. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, Hema Business Park, second floor, room number 2. Wasiliana nasi kupitia 0714824433 au 0752901005. Lea Wow Kids Daycare, learning through play, growth with joy.
Seriki ni komi na isano na biro mutinyi no yo kabero mwaka no yo gwechirwira 25 nomo mwancho mo ligererinde no kwegena mbiole andonsia sole nago kwanire awe go kwaligane kwenyora hamangana maye kyonga chinsenye chabona butiko eliterani Cyrus Nyakundi asense muli manyirio nere Wilson ne makoli nago sabire toskale. Kuchaka hekiunga nigo tukuchaka korua sekenyero kia masongo bunge ya Nyaribari chache kaunti ya Kisii nigo mungina Judy Mikaye agendete kuligio bokonyi okwagachirwa enyumba neye magega ya nyumba ya mabati kobochoka nigo no hagotebuna niga gwitira mukongo kubwatikana nimbure nyinge yegendete kwenekigwa asorgongo rwa Gusii muri kitodiboni asanya orobotirwa senchira yobwikira
Chiamate chinyinge nigo chigenderete gwetera amakongu aho anene chinga kichiga chimbura yaberege korrekana ime yorgongo rwa Gusii ime yekinyorokia masongo ebunge ya Nyaribari chache nigo omongina Judy Mikaye agenderete gwetera amakongu asebona rigetio bokonyi bukwagachirwa enyomba
abaibori bana igo basirete bonsi lakini akere basirete nona aringe nkara rinde koboko kwana basirete minto gaige turabanyaruka babere tweka arafu mamura igasirete lakini tukare tumusubati atoberisi bano nche igombwa tobokongu enyomba se menyete igongutwe nabana nimbwate luko mwana no monene mfongfu ara gosoma na ikuru pia chi mix etiere guchinya chekirugo bano mwana oyina bagoseri gukirenga kya sengencho konyora mbwate gotayo nonye no kuragera igombwate obokongu esendagera sengencho gonkwende kondo manye konyora bese yinkonyora manye konyara koyeto nanye bagane asekere igendo
okuburo kwaye kwenyumba niga abantu batamanyiri basagane tenka yaye na gusamba enyumba igenta goteba kirirete erekwira na magega
erieke enyomba erikero kene nandi njasi nasambere twe nyomba eyo bone kabetereri nkaira na isemono nonye konya nange iri kuimuka kei boni mbwato bokongu gake
kurende asebire biga nigaruro kuboria gucha sabasamaria bari no moyo bwancha naboigo abarayi komokonya kumwagachira enyomba elio neranyale komenya buna bande
ondo bwensoro ibwa mabera oyinya sara akune aso yoko boko kwaye aso konkonya asa aba MC bagambi baito bakira chingenjo ondo oyinya sara akune andolera mabere kinderi na njensuki abana babana uno yomone nasomeri ndache kokonya babamwa
uripotire kitasenikiao kia getembe kurega sekenyoro kia masongo gotoke bunge ya Nyaribari chache kaunti ya Kisii elia nenkoro kwa dipon asanya
Bemono humo likito diboni asanya haso robotiru magega yokomenya nubotaka sege getambe ya mateyemo korwa sekenyero kia Nyamimiso hime ye bunge ya Kitutu Masaba kaunti Nyamira nigerene kibako kera magega yokwagachirwa nyumba no mwana siasa Grifu Ugura nigobono bugima bwa bubunchoreire gukwana chinga kicho mosubati binke yo niga haro kyo mugoko ye na comment buna homoyiga no muchakano omuya muri kitodane ntiri arobotirwa senchira yobwikira
Clive Ugura umwanasiasa n'umonchulia kurase bunge ya Kitutu Masaba imeye kaunti ya Nyamira nigo mapema lero aikirana sikenyero Kenya Mamiso nikiringa gyogonchulia ubugima bumosubati wiga Linet Mura uyo sambere tuchinyomba amatuko makaetire n'abantu batamanyiri na goseligwa kurase nsemeye no beire kagwetera imechanda au igati yabo ogotwerwa kuburwa endagira no nyine nyumba ya kibara ubatekana nayo mosubatu iga nigobono ali ne kyakogokera magega yokwagachirwa enyumba nya no mwana siasyo iga nechinga kicho Linet hotebo bogima bwa yebono bwonchulire igatambukiro kyagokerwa negati yabamenyi boigo
magambi narore Grifu Ugura nero ngikiranye onyare kombwata okoboko ombekere ribatigura nagokire mono sana nande naigure bya komoro
itisonire a week ominyokire ochire otobekeire nyomba amabati abekiru within a week nkwagacha turecho ntubwate ritumaini ngakore mimi ya mono
ugura oteba abamenya bange bakitutu masaba niko bagenderete gwetera imechando ao nigitambo kirekiga kya ngechiko konya na gonchoria amagima ya banta bange
na chirega iga na nyorenge kinyoreke gimasti mateyo mache mbabwati para yegari gwikaga makongu naba mubere noba ngomonto basireiri bakurigyo ebamura bachikorete mubere kuru elamiruguru
chinga kecho boigo nigasingirira bukugania kugotoro borai bobegeta maganio ya bananchi bosio natali obwo barai barigetie koigotia chinda chabo barabo kabanyine
onyo okore sukari gesima wore sukari kemera onyo okobeke para gesima onyo okobeke para gachuba onyo okobeka ligoma teka kemera teka magombo teka manga igo buno ugura ongo batinga mwese ko ngali bagalyo borai wakituma saba 2027 ngo chimotwe nimbakorere gasi etari go bagwa namba ya kabere nimbakorere gasi ende tanya gokorekanaga mwese korere bogetutu bono ega nyonye ne para yera mikonyo ne gasi enko asenge ntotoko ntora barai baenda bacha korigi self interest tika bakorigiri baga byo gotokorere gasi bachora self interest lakingo korancho runa ne kabere
nkurubutere gatasene kya gatembe korega se county ya Nyamira ireterane ngoro kwa Daniel Untiri
Bemuno mulikito Daniel Untiri ha soropotiruo ekenyoro kya nyanchoka ke gotoka se wodi ya kyabanyoro bunge ya Burabwe county Nyamira asistima heta nyakobe kwe kenyore kyo kurendo mwario ye barene kibako kera maega ye kenyore kyo kobekwa asomoro beri bogo kya kanyore stima witira somoro beri gwe serikali umanyakanite buna last mile connectivity oyolengete kera mu Kenya gochi kobekirwa estima igono abananchi benseme yo bago kerege tambukere kyo asobaru koboria asoko ne kibune binte byonsi nkurendo bare bune nchere yemo yogochi ago konyeka muri kitfadiga dikisemba no robotura sinchira yogwikira
Maega yokobera asomusunte ase emyaka emenge batarine estima ase kenyoro kya nyanchoka kegotoka esa application ya nyanchoka ewodi ya kyabonyoru ebunge ya Burabu nigo abamenyi benseme yo bare ne kibakogokera maega yomuroberio bugochia kobekerwa estima gochakiwa
ngo yi kasi ya rede emita furi sawa titwa kwerende metendeye ne yeito umuntu olwese gocha mutingo ngagresimi igemete ne ito chigwane embitanfu furi ekebo pio box ngwa embita ngwa akoreki wakane muzo nanga chibesa ne mbaba buri mwina nanga chibesa 1000 mubakani eyefu ifuri nobara kila kitu ni free mambo ya serikali ya Kenya
Korengana Nerezado Kicheriot oyore umusupervisor orelek ime ye county ya Nyamira nigo atebire kenyoro ekyo nigo eserikali yababeikeire chimilioni 10 abwase abantu wetania emya eyemo na 50 na babere nigo barache kokonyeka nestima eye.
Serikali ya Kenya imeweka shilingi milioni 11 itasambazwa kwa watu 162 kwa muda itakayochukua. Tukipata material zote within 2 months itakuwa imeisha. Ningependa kuambia wananchi wetu kuwa materials zikifika waweze kuzichunga vizuri, na ukiambiwa ukate miti tafadhali ukate.
Omokonyi bw'omugambi bw'esa application eyo aserieta Charles Charana nigo agokeire gitambukiro ekyo na kuburia abantu benseme eyo kubirenda ebintu ebyonsi bigocha gutumika asokubekwa estima eyo nabo igokera oyomo oburiwe tabaisa gutanga ase epost estima erabekwe
yongwiraniria abagani baitabo bachire ng'ambu ya mono batoreteire estima iyatochandire asa amatuka amange naende bagoikera omochumbe bamote ng'ambu ya mono naende mbu ya mono ase eng'encho atokonyire stima gesa twabiare twana kora stima lakini rero katwachakire kora chifomu ga stima yakorire ki yachire egento kende gia kabere ntubuna abananchi stima ya kare gocha chiposti ngocha chire ne chikebo ngocha chire naende ntoba nintu abatangani kwanza gochiba igo nintu abatangani gochirenda ngoetere migondo y'abantu igoteeta kwao naendo tebe ng'abuta iyo yatakire gweta ogotebi gogecha omote ase eraini ere goika ogecha emete igo neki na karokio goika togesingatie
Obolendi bakabuboro na tororo lekero tororo omungino gukubwato ko mwana oyo gukumune gento keria ditukerio na bakabona ndende kwale kabonia eko areke negento gitiki achire ntogo gotiga
igitambukiro eke nigoboigo kiagokeirwe na bamenyi bense meyo abo bakirebuya asumubunge bwebunge eyo omoske Patrick Osero ase okubarwanirira wikabarabwo kwegwa estima eyo
point entangani ekero mweshimiwa irete chikura igatebeta abantu banyanchoka first priority yako bana mangana estima lakini onye sukumire igo nyasaye bwanchire twarete irwe estima
na rodi estima yanchire engoro yane ko ngaka buye ko gera ko nyamire na chikogora maguto na maguta korore bona lero na igure estima kero yakirange tindiko goka abangi na moko goka
nonyore umuntu ndo kunya gukwana gujimaga nutakagotegera mangana egente kanene umuchumbo osera nyako bororo naenda asesenigwe miaka gegocha 2027 ntomoroje nende twamanyire ikintu gyosero
omoroberi oyiga bogoche kobekerwa estima ase ekinyereke iga kyanyanchuka nigo urachikobago konya abantu wetania emia eyemo na 50 nomo na babere kinko reporter getembe koroiga ase ekinyereke iga kyanyanchuka ekyo kegotoka ase sublocation ya Nyanchuka location ya Busaragei ward ya Kiabonyoru ebunge ya Burabu county ya Nyamira Njefa Tigad Gisemba
Biamuno homoli kito Fadigad Gisemba hasoro hoturu ujumbe webunge ya Kitutu Chache South Muskanto Nikibagendi nigaserwa kurwasama gacu yebunge nene nomonagari webunge yo Moses Wetangura niyo kubatikana no gukwana chinkwana na goteguno homonagari webunge yo nomokonyo ye nigo basalirie hebunge yo kolengana nigatia bajumbe nigo bamumochi homuske Kibagendi asukubwatuka chinkwane cyo hasomonagari webunge ya rogo Chicago stia somuske Kibagendi gutekirana sama gacho hayo naboigo chiabisi hechebunge yo hemwete asobono haruogo chikaboigo gochia somuske Kibagendi kwene kibuna ngo sabaru kwabira gochia sabajumbe bebunge yo.
On behalf of the members of parliament, we want to just say that we take great exception of the words used and the statements made by Honorable Kibagendi Wai this morning. I think he has acted in a disorderly manner. He has cast aspersions on the character of the Speaker, the character of the Deputy Speaker, and the character of the entire Presidium. He has also tried to ruin the name of Parliament. Don't cast aspersions on the character of someone or say things about a person when they are not present to be able to substantiate or to be able to defend themselves. I think that is wrong. And if you ask me, Honorable Speaker, I think we should be asking that he be suspended from the House for the maximum period allowable, which is 28 days.
On behalf of Kibagendi, I will apologize to this House. Unfortunately, the so-called Honorable Kibagendi is one man who never comes to this House. And even when he comes, he never even contributes. In actual sense, Kibagendi has no reason to be in this House. And his constituents should really be sympathetic to what they did by voting such a man who goes talking about the same parliament that he doesn't even understand anything about. I have never heard this man contribute to anything to do with his constituents. But when he goes on TV, he wants to do showbiz. Honorable Kibagendi, I was elected by over 200,000 votes. You have no reason to go and tell other people that our house has been auctioned. I am here every day as a first-timer working so hard to contribute to my constituents and the country.
And this is not a matter I'm going to invite the member to explain himself, because I saw and heard with my own eyes and ears. So, Honorable Kibagendi, you will be excluded from the sitting of this House until you bring a properly worded apology, not to me. I'm used to being insulted. To the House. To the House. For bringing the House in disrepute. And that apology should be delivered to the clerk. It will be looked at carefully. If the wording is acceptable, then it will be brought to the House and you will be allowed to come back to the House. For now, you are excluded from the proceedings of this House, the presence of Parliament, the committee sittings, including your office in Parliament. Let the stranger leave the house first. Order, Kibagendi, you are now a stranger in the house.
Mo Senator Homochole hesi ho Kenyuri ni garo kubolia gochia sabatene nilibe sekta yekawa kwene kibuna ngotingi bale hobokoreri bwabo haso kwene kibuna umulimi wekemeliyo kiongonyorale hengeli rengia ukwana samagachu yebunge seneti maragoba ya lero homo senator Kenyuri nigo ha tebirobunega ti yabatene nilibe sekta yo nigo batabwa tibumanyi boisaine hegento kirire sekta yo kogendera kokolibobe.
Remembered something that I need to highlight. I'm one of the members who sat in this mediation committee, and to bring to the attention of members is that most of the very critical challenges we've been having with farmers in those societies is to do with administration. We have people who are generally mismanaging that management sector, and I thought this is a good thing because the proposal here is to ensure people are running the management system of coffee are guys who are qualified, who have gone to school. Because for you to be in the management board, you need to have a degree, over 5 years experience. I want to believe that this is a very good and progressive proposal because we are not just going to have people with no knowledge in that sector. These are people who specifically should be knowledgeable in the coffee sector so that even if they are going to engage in management, they know very well what they are doing and what consequences lie if they do otherwise. But generally, I wish to also thank the members of this committee for it really took us a very long time to agree. Having sat in the mediation committee really also gives me exposure to how people think differently. Though our colleagues from the National Assembly would dispute on certain basic things, and I was just wondering why they might not read from the Senate side of things, but now being mediation, at some point we equally had to agree on whatever the report actually shows. So I thank my colleague members and I wish that members support this because this is one way we are going to sort out the mess that we have experienced for quite some time.
Na sorboti rumanchomo ligerelia atanyo romo timoko maketo ko irana antogende ne kyonga senchira yo boikirano.
Karibu Borabu Technical Training Institute, kituo cha maarifa, ubunifu na ujuzi wa vitendo kwa maendeleo ya kesho. Katika Computing and Informatics Department, tunatoa kozi za kisasa zitakazokuweka mbele kiteknolojia, ICT, Computer Programming, Cyber Security pamoja na Digital Animation and Media. Katika Building and Civil Engineering Department, tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu wa kujitegemea kupitia kozi za Plumbing na Building kwa ujuzi wa vitendo unaohitajika sokoni. Kwa wale wanaopenda umeme na teknolojia ya mawasiliano, Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department inatoa Electrical Engineering, Power Option, Electronic na Telecommunication. Ndani ya Institutional Management Department, tunakuza vipaji na ubunifu kupitia Fashion Design and Clothing Technology, Hair Dressing na Beauty Therapy. Katika Health Sciences Department, tunajali afya ya jamii kwa kutoa kozi za Health Records, IT na Community Health. Na katika Business Studies, tunakuandaa kwa ulimwengu wa biashara kupitia Human Resource, Business Management na Supply Chain. January Intake 2026 inaendelea sasa. Jiandikishe leo na chukua hatua ya kwanza kuelekea mustakabali wako wenye mafanikio. Borabu Technical Training Institute ipo kando ya barabara ya Kisii hadi Ikonge, karibu na mji wa Kibirigo. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu 0746211764 au 0727433205 au 07255334 26. Tembelea tovuti yetu www.borabutiti.ac.ke. Borabu Technical Training Institute, Technical Skills for Development. Lea Wow Kids Daycare ni kituo cha kulea watoto kuanzia mwaka 1 na kuendelea, mahali ambapo mtoto wako anajifunza kupitia michezo na kukua kwa furaha. Tunatoa huduma za full day na half day katika mazingira safi, salama na yenye upendo. Tuna wafanyakazi wenye mapenzi, subira na uangalifu wa hali ya juu kwa watoto wako. Lea Wow Kids Daycare tunazingatia potty training kwa ustadi, michezo bunifu na ya kuelimisha, shughuli za kujifunza zilizopangwa kitaalamu, malezi yanayojenga akili, tabia na kujiamini kwa mtoto wako. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, Hema Business Park, second floor, room number 2. Wasiliana nasi kupitia 0714 824 433 au 0752 901005. Lea Wow Kids Daycare, learning through play, growth with joy. Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni leo. Tunapeana kozi ya Computer Studies katika Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician, ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kozi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha. Korista Training College ipo Suneka Town, Asumbi Junction. Tawi letu lingine liko Homa Bay, Sophia Estate. January intake inaendelea. Usikose nafasi ya kujiunga na kizazi cha kidijitali. Piga simu sasa 0707185119. Korista Training College, the heart of the digital world.
Karibu naende omwancho omorigereria oraibenso musike William Ruto nigene kiribuna serikali henene nechikubatirana ne serikali ye kaunti ya Nairobi munechire yamo yogokinia hobokareri we kaunti yo kukwana chingaki cyo kubekese yo kubwatirana we serikali echibire oraibense nigene kiribuna tarigo chigwesana ni noborai we serikali yo ye kaunti ya Nairobi.
Our constitution establishes two levels of government distinct in mandate, yet interdependent in purpose. It recognizes that as our capital city grows, responsibilities expand, and national priorities evolve, the institution of government must work in structured partnerships within the law, in coordination, and in the national interest to guarantee effective governance and reliable service delivery. It is in this constitutional spirit of cooperative governance that we are gathered here today to strengthen collaboration between the national government and the Nairobi City County government and to deliberately raise the performance, efficiency, and global standing of our city. Nairobi is not merely another devolved unit. Nairobi is our capital, the seat of the Republic, and the nerve center of national administration. That there comes a time when we must pull together. We are committing 3.7 billion towards street lighting modernization and expansion. We will transition progressively to solar solutions. The national government, working with the Kenya Power, we will invest 1.5 billion in transformers and proper last mile connections. What we are augmenting today is not a transfer of functions. Let me repeat. there is no transfer of functions happening. For the avoidance of doubt, I have no interest in running the city of Nairobi. My hands are full. The governor and his team.
Ase hensamo ya yehomo governor we county yo Johnson Sakaja igagokera hege tambukerekyo asene kibona nachikora biho mucho Nairobi kunenjire yomo yo gwikirania magani yo muraibense ho muske William Ruto yo kwene kibunense ya Kenya ngoswera serombe ye kinse kiri chigendrete.
Today is a great day for the capital city of the Republic of Kenya. Your Excellency, in the 13 years of devolution, Nairobi City County has not had an opportunity to leverage and benefit from its unique position as a capital city of the Republic of Kenya to get the special attention, resources, and support. Section 6 of the Urban Areas and Cities Act, which anchors this agreement, provides that beyond being a county like the other 46 counties, Nairobi is the capital city of Kenya, the seat of the national government, host to diplomatic missions, including the only United Nations headquarters in the Global South, and the center of commerce and industry of the entire region, requiring a special arrangement. Partnering in a number of issues, such as the Nairobi Rivers Commission and the regeneration of the river, water provision to the city, the school food feeding program, which has a separate agreement, roads and mobility, markets, housing, among other areas. The capital city will remain at the center of the transformation to first world status. This agreement provides for a two-tier governance structure for its successful implementation. The steering committee, which will be chaired by the Prime Cabinet Secretary as the coordinator of national government ministries and agencies, deputized by myself, and comprising of cabinet secretaries as well as county staff, will set the overall policy goals and direction. This is not a transfer of functions, as happened during the NMS time, which was a misadventure that left this city with a 16 billion shillings pending bills whole, and which did not augur well with the true spirit of devolution. We thank you for seeing the need and unique place of the capital city and for your support. Your Excellency, there are many things, but let me just mention that already, with your support, we've been able to increase the amount of water coming into the city by 140 million liters a day through the Northern Collector Tunnel, which had been stuck. We will also embark on projects like the Maragua 4 Dam and improvements at Ngedu water treatment to achieve close to 200 additional million liters of water daily. Several other such transformational projects will be undertaken. This is the true spirit of devolution, partnership between the levels of government. A lot can be achieved when we come together. Devolution is not a competition. Devolution is a collaboration.
Nigo yabo mugoko gotia sabamenye bensemo ya maimayo he county ya Nakuru ni magaga ya serikali kubwatoka chitaito list gochi hasaba minyabo babete bakubateranirwa hano mugoko oyo bete kogosalini buyabo omutinyuka no mwaka w'ekirubere 2024 asabante 50 babete bagusiria hamugima bona abande gwetani kimisatu gotigara batabwati bumenyo ukwana chingeki cyokora umurobiro yo mokonyo bo murayibense Professor Kithure Kindiki nigo hatebire buno murobiro yuno kwane kibuna bamenyi bense meyo nkwegendereri bare asa magimabo chingeki cyo Kindiki nigene kibune serikali echiwekirania magendero ase chinseme cyo.
Kuna mkasa ambaye ulipatikana na ule mkasa tukapoteza watu wetu, na leo tumekuja hapa kwa sababu ya waathiriwa. Tunaendelea kusema pole kwa wale ambao walipata hiyo mkasa, na tuko hapa kwa sababu tungetaka kuhakikisha kwamba tumesaidia wale ambao walipata mkasa kupata mahali pa kuishi. Na nimesikia iko group mbili hapa. Kuna wale ambao walikuwa wamejenga na nyumba zao zikachukuliwa na maji, na wengine walikuwa wamekodisha. Sasa vile nimefika hapa, wale wote ambao walikuwa wamejenga nyumba zikachukuliwa na maji watapata ardhi, na wale wote pia walikuwa wamekodisha, pia hao tutawatafutia makao. Maneno ya land compensation, ile ardhi imepatikana, wale ambao walikuwa wamejenga watapewa ardhi leo, tutatoka hapa na title deed, na wale walikuwa wamekodisha, hata hao nimeamrisha Wizara ya Ardhi baada ya kushauriana na rais, hata wale ambao walikuwa wamekodisha mutapewa ardhi. Waziri yako na hiyo instructions. Tuko na program kubwa hapa ya affordable housing na market na hostels, lakini nimesikia soko yetu ya Mai Mahiu imekawia. Mimi nataka niwahakikishie nitarudi hapa within 1 week, nilete contractor wa ku break ground hii soko. Na hii masoko na hii mambo ya kujenga affordable housing inapatia vijana wetu kazi. Ndio vijana wetu wasikae vile kazi. Hatutaki vijana wetu waendelee kutumiwa na wanasiasa ati kupiga kelele, kupiga nduru. Tuwatafutie kazi kwa affordable housing. Wale wengine tumewapatia pesa ya nyota wafanye biashara. Wale wengine kazi mtandaoni. Wale wengine kazi majuu. Hiyo ndio jukumu letu kama serikali, kuhakikisha wana youth wetu hawatumiwi na wanasiasa kupiga kelele na kuleta vurugu katika mikutano. Kwamba tumeanza ujenzi wa barabara hii ya kutoka Rironi kwenda Nakuru mpaka Mau Summit, na mnajua hiyo barabara itafungua uchumi wa area hii. Ni kweli si kweli? Ni kweli si kweli? Iko hiyo barabara imeanza ama haijaanza? Ndio tuondoe mambo ya ajali na tuondoe mambo ya watu wetu kupoteza maisha.
Ekero liberera ria gisiasa ligendete gukina igabarai bagendete kwiroberi hanene mono bensemerie kwamiririe serikali na baigo ukubagikana kugendera kwenekigwa asikiama kia ODM Murikitu Samu Mijenda na roboti rwa Sinchira y'Ubwikirano.
Liberera ria gisiasa nigo ligenderete gukina matuka bwa ngoiga chinsemo chonsi kurwa ase serikali.
Sasa tuendelee, si rais anapata 2 term, si ni 14 bila break, si ni 14 supu. Otsosi ndugu yangu, unajua nakupenda, na we ni deputy party leader ya ODM. Tuendelee, baba alituacha kwa broad base.
Na boigo chinsemo chiricho kwamiriria serikali.
Mimi ningekuomba rais, just address us through our structures. Wabunge wengine wakisimama hapa hawaongee kwa niaba ya ODM. Kama Mheshimiwa Elisha, Mheshimiwa Jalango, hawa tuliofukuza kwa chama. Kwa hivyo hawezi wakakuja hapa waongee mambo ya ODM. ODM, mkiona usosi mmeona ODM.
Elio abana siasa kweroberia asobochori bumwakonde.
Mwaka huu tutaanza mambo ya mazungumuzo, mambo ya kuzungumuza 2027, na tumesema tuanze na chama cha UDA.
Kurendeli tundalie kiamagia ODM nigo ligenderete kubutorwa ase chinsemo ibere. Nasema yamo neliere ase nsemo ya serikali kusi broad based ikoragwa no Oburu Oginga.
Lakini sasa ile ya mbele sisi tutaipigia kura, hatuwezi kuwa bila power. Ni lazima tupate power. Na hiyo kupata power,
Mwenyekero gogwe kiamagia ODM Gladys Wanga.
Siku kama chama tunarudi kwa opposition. In the 2027 elections, ODM will either be the government or will be part of the coalition forming that government.
Muraibu wa Barabake Junet Mohamed.
Safari hii ODM imetengeneza serikali ya Kenya.
Waziri John Badi, Opiyo Wandayi na boigo Ali Hassan Joho na baraibande kurwa ase ekiama agia ODM. Kurende ekengese kendegi ensemo yende yeri tunda ria ODM nigoge kubabwatani abarai bali batari gwanchereria serikali gose broad based kuragwa na Edwin Sifuna oyuru sigwa buno mulikyo munene bwe kiamagia ODM Godfrey Ososi oyuro yo mwega tia bakonyi babarai be kiamagia ODM.
Wakora waliingia
kwa stage yetu asubuhi wakavunja mitambo hii. Ati kutuzuia tusiweze kuongea na nyinyi.
Babu Owino, James Orengo, Caleb Hamisi, Okongo Mogeni, Anthony Kibagendi, Richard Onyonka, Obadia Barongo, Clive Gisairo Karalio Mondi, Winnie Odinga na baraibande kurwa ase ekiamekyo.
Ndelire kelera eliko nyenywe ubageni. Mogo itera bantu bakanango kamame mtundora mbere. Chipare chata ngase.
Ikikundi gia Edwin Sifuna, Babu Owino, James Orengo, Caleb Hamisi, Okongo Mogeni, Godfrey Ososi, Richard Onyonka, Patrick Makau na baraibande nigo bagendete gukora emekutano ao unabono mbachakirite kurwa ase county ya Busia bakagenda ase county ya Kajiado asaba koreto mukutano monne ime ya Kitengela.
Busia oye! Atuzumuzi na mtu yoyote mpaka hawa vijana wetu wapate haki zao.
Hapa ni wapi? Hapa ni wapi? Hapa ni wapi? Tumefika hatujafika? Tumefika hatujafika? Walituwekea kuntu wanafdani wanatuweza, wanaweza?
Kurende ensemeri ya broad-based na eroni kiagendete gukora emekutano ase babwate kirenga yo kurende ground egentano nabo bali batali asensemo ya broad-based bakotebanga linda mwananchi.
Ni sisi kutoa uamuzi ya kutaka kutoka. Kwa hivyo tumeweka rasmi ya kwa tutoke katika azimio ili tuweze kuganga yajayo.
Liururucho lya Sifuna nigo likorenganirwa emyaka ya kale. Ase ekiamagia Ford Kenya kia watu kuwatanekana kiromo gaka Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Akwete.
Wamalwa Kijana is no longer chairman of Ford Kenya. Okay? Ford Kenya is now going from henceforth to be led by a caretaker committee.
Ogwetanekana nigo kwa negatigwe ningo orachi kubwate sia kijana wa Malwa ase ensemo yokorae kia mekyo egatia James Orengo laboigo Raila Odinga.
We'll have another go. We are not giving up. The party is still there. The constitution has not been suspended. The NEC is still there. We'll have another go at another election.
Litangani kijana wa Malwa nigo atagete kubwate Raila Odinga kurende agaonchorerie birengere bia na kubwate Orengo. Kero bagenda sobochori Orengo nigabwete obochori obu nakobomokonyi okijana wa Malwa kurende egento getago Raila Odinga. Kagera akanganya kurwa esekia mekyo na korosia ekiama kia NDP.
The time has come to change course. I wish to inform you that I have resigned as a member of Ford Kenya. I hereby tender my resignation as a member of parliament.
Abono, kerori birereri rigendete gukina no kurusigwa bwa Sifuna kurwa ase ekiama gia ODM.
Mimi ndio Sifuna. Nimekuja hapa
nonya uchiete asekyo gambero eliko tenenia omoro buriyo asekeria tabete talio kubwatiri chiko ikiama gia ODM ngetikare koba ekiama gekongu kero ogwatane kana kwendete kwenekwa ase abarai kuripoti rigeta sini kiage tembe Nsam Miyenda.
Bemuno humurikito Sam Miyenda hasoro botiru na wikiraga bumoncho murigereria nongo ikiro mwelio bwekiunga chinsenye chia gotuko elitirane Cyrus Nyakundi asensemelio menyerio nigarenge Wilson Makori oyo ni kionsi agwikire asenchira yo bwikirano nere director Atisani agusabiro twaro borigereria na baigubutuko borobuya.
Lea Wow Kids Daycare ni kituo cha kulea watoto kuanzia mwaka 1 na kuendelea, mahali ambapo mtoto wako anajifunza kupitia michezo na kukua kwa furaha. Tunatoa huduma za full day na half day katika mazingira safi, salama na yenye upendo. Tuna wafanyakazi wenye mapenzi, subira na uangalifu wa hali ya juu kwa watoto wako. Lea Wow Kids Daycare tunazingatia potty training kwa ustadi, michezo bunifu na ya kuelimisha, shughuli za kujifunza zilizopangwa kitaalam, malezi yanayojenga akili, tabia na kujiamini kwa mtoto wako. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, Hema Business Park, second floor, room number 2. Wasiliana nasi kupitia 0714824433 au 0752901005. Lea Wow Kids Daycare, learning through play, growth with joy.
Kila nafsi na itaonja